All right. So I'm going to show you how to create a new project in Visual Studio for based on the Angular template and how to check that into a private Git repository on Visual Studio Team Services. I know that sounds like the most basic thing, but it is the first step in building an application with an Angular JavaScript client that connects to PostgreSQL database via Web API and Entity Framework Core with authentication. So I hope you already know how to do this. We're going to take some baby steps. So we'll go File, New Project, ASP.NET Core Web Application, yes. I'll call this C#. Directory for solution, yes. Create new Git repository, yes. Angular, yes. No authentication because authentication isn't supported in this project template, and neither is Docker. So we will add those later on. That's great. Leave it at that for now. Skip over to Git Bash. All right. Let's have a quick look at the log. Actually see that there are already 2 commits for this project. Let's push it over to Git repository. I should say remote Git repository. So I'm in Visual Studio Team Services. I'm using this instead of GitHub because I get free private Git repositories. Same name, I'll make it private. Great. SSH. Actually, I know I need to upload my public key here. So let's add it. What are they looking for description? It's my public key. Open it in Notepad. There we go. All right, now let's go back here and get the SSH link. That's not what we want to do. We want to push an existing repository. Perfect. Nice. So let's see what we can look at. I'm not too familiar with how things work in Git and Visual Studio Team Services. I'm not going to set up a build right now. Let's see if we can navigate some code. Let's navigate the files. It's actually not a bad view. Could be a lot worse. All right, is there anything I missed? I don't think so. So that's how you create a new project for Angular in Visual Studio and push the Git repository to a private Git repo on Visual Studio Team Services.